Hi Jeff, it's Randy here from Randy Cycle Service. Wanted to make a video for you here to show you your Triumph. We got it all running and back together. The only thing that's left right now is to get the bodywork painted and hang it on there and put the seat cover on and get that on, and then you'll be set. Everything mechanically is done except for the final test ride, obviously, and a few fine-tuning issues as well. So we'll take that out and do that. So we're running on temporary fuel tank right now. Turn the gas on. Got everything set up. Turn the ignition key on, give it a kick start, and show you how it runs.